This rain, I gotta say I'm so thankful for y'all even sticking around, standing in y'all raincoats, outfits fucked up, they wet, you know. It means so much to me. That's why me and my dancers and everybody on this team, we work so hard. And we said we still gonna do this show. We ain't gonna delay it. We ain't gonna try to push shit back, change some shit. We wanted to give y'all a good show. So we appreciate y'all sitting y'all ass out here for 2.5 hours in this rain. None of this shit go unnoticed. We love y'all. I love y'all to death. I can't explain how much appreciation I have for y'all, man. It goes without saying. Team Breezy in the building, make some noise. And I'm team y'all, you feel me? So let's end this with a bang. Let's get it.